What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm gonna showing you that how you can draw a realistic human eye with a few steps. So follow me and don't skip the video, otherwise you will not understand that how you can draw it. But before going towards the video, please must subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because I just work hard for you guys. So this is your main line that you have to draw, and now follow me the steps, and you can just slow down the video if you are not understanding it. So now after draw this line, you have to draw one more line over here and one more line over here. Later we will remove this line. So now we will draw eyebrow over here. So these are the steps that you have to follow to draw an eyebrow. I'm going to make this video fast for you guys so that I can save your time. Of course, your time is more important. Okay, now what we have to do, just fill this circle and make sure this color is much darker. Make a layer over there. Now keep following me and don't skip the video, otherwise you will not understand. So that's not good if you will not understanding. A little bit shade over here. Okay, now what you have to do, draw the lines around the circle like this. Wow, amazing. So now you can see it's a little bit more darker and more beautiful. Draw the same line over here inside the bigger circle. So now what you have to do, use this earbud like this. So now you can see it look like realistic high, so more realistic. And now what we have to do, just dark this line with lead pencil. So now we have to draw lines over here, just following me, and you will learn it that how you can draw it. I'm going to make this video fast for you. Wow, amazing, it's almost done. And now we have to work on eyebrow. Just draw the eyebrow hairs like this. It's more important part of an eye, so you have to draw it very carefully. And so it's almost done, and thank you for watching the video. Please must subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more exclusive videos and contents. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they also can learn this beautiful video, and must watch the second video, link in the description. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.